Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Installing a lift kit is time-consuming. Once you have the vehicle's frame supported with separate jacks for each axle, then it's just a matter of drilling out and replacing rivets. Still, as long as you make sure the steering linkage, sway bars, brake lines and shocks are long enough, you can install your own lift kit.
Make your mark, take our lead.
First of all, a lift kit is more than just a mechanism to make your truck higher. Also, a lift kit will likely affect the drive of your vehicle. The higher you go, the rougher the ride, so expect the ride to be not as smooth. Lifting and adding new tires, no matter how low or high, will affect your fuel economy.
Take our lead.
Installation fees for a 2-inch leveling kit are on average around $300. Adding a professionally done leveling kit for around $500 is a great deal when compared to the $3,000 or so that lift kits can cost.
Make your mark, take our lead.
The larger the lift, the more the lift kit will cost, but most people are only looking to lift their truck a few inches. Smaller truck lift kits, those that raise the body by 2 inches, usually cost anywhere from $400 to $12,000.
Take our lead.
A basic 2-inch leveling kit costs on average between $60 and $100, with more advanced 2-inch leveling kits costing between $125 and $1,000. Installation fees for a 2-inch leveling kit are on average around $300.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.